Hello children, welcome back to our 3R series where we rethink to reuse. Children, what are those 3Rs? The 3Rs are reuse, reduce and recycle. Children, do you remember in my previous video I had showed you how to reuse this old can to make a plant pot. So today I am going to again reuse this old cans, an old Fevicol bottle and an old carton to make an organizer. So let's get started. First I am going to take an old can and make a hole over here. And same I'll do with this Fevicol bottle. I am going to cut this from here. And then I am going to cover this with the pink paper. I am also going to take an old carton and cover it with a purple paper. See children, now I have covered the cans with the pink paper, and for the carton I had cut the top portion and covered it with the purple paper. Now I am going to take some double-sided tape and stick this cans in front of this carton like this. We will stick one next to the other. We will stick 3 cans over here like this and one big one this side next to the carton. Now I have got some colorful paper cutouts which I am going to use to decorate my organizer. See children, our organizer is ready, and over here I have made one more organizer using an old carton where I have kept all my essential items in an organized manner. Over here I have kept some books, some crayons, sketch pens, pouches, etc. Now let us fill our organizer also. Over here we can keep our books. Then we can add some sketch pens in the cans, some pencils. You can fill these cans as per your requirement. Some scissors, and for the tall one we can keep the scale or the brushes that we have. So children, did you see, in such a simple manner we just reuse the cans and old carton to make a beautiful organizer. So children, you can also make this useful organizer at your home, and for other such useful crafts you can check out our 3R series. Thank you.